Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on solving for the variable in an equation. In this video, we'll be going over how to solve the equation 5 times x divided by 6 equals 5. We'll walk through the steps together to find the value of x. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the problem 5x over 6 equals 5, the first step is to eliminate the fraction by isolating the variable. In this equation, 5x over 6 equals 5. The variable x is divided by 6. To remove the denominator 6, you need to perform the opposite operation to both sides of the equation. Since 6 is in the denominator, you should multiply both sides of the equation by 6. This will cancel out the 6 in the denominator on the left side of the equation. So multiply the left side of the equation, which is 5x over 6, by 6. On the left side, 6 times 5x over 6 will cancel the 6's, leaving just 5x. This is because 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now perform the same multiplication on the right side of the equation. So multiply the right side, which is 5, by 6 to get 30. After this step, the equation is simplified to 5x equals 30. In step 2 of solving the equation 5x over 6 equals 5, now we are left with the simplified equation. 5x equals 30. Our goal is to isolate the variable x, which currently has the coefficient 5 attached to it. To isolate x, we need to perform the opposite operation of what is being done to x. In this case, x is being multiplied by 5. The opposite of multiplication is division. Therefore, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 5 to cancel out the coefficient on the left side. On the left side, divide 5x by 5. This operation will cancel out the 5, leaving just x, because 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. Next, perform the same division on the right side. Divide 30 by 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So now, after completing this step, x is isolated, and the equation becomes x equals 6. This is the final step, and the solution to the equation 5x over 6 equals 5 is x equals 6. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.